Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Dota in Steam. First, you'll need to download and install the Steam client, which is completely free. Once installed, either create a new Steam account or log in with your existing credentials. Next, navigate to the Steam store, search for Dota 2, and add it to your game library. Finally, begin the installation process. Ensure you have about 25 gigabytes of free storage space available. It's a straightforward process to get started. Dota 2 is a fantastic free-to-play multiplayer online battle arena game where 2 teams of 5 players compete. Your primary goal is to destroy the opposing team's main structure, known as the Ancient, located at their base. You'll select one of over 120 unique heroes, each possessing 4 distinct abilities. To get comfortable, I highly recommend starting with bot matches. They are perfect for learning hero skills and understanding the game's core objectives without pressure. When you're ready for your first player versus player match, carefully select a hero that aligns with your preferred playstyle, whether it's supporting, carrying, or tanking. Take a moment to understand your hero's 4 unique abilities and how they function. Remember, Dota 2 is a team game, so working together with your 4 teammates is crucial for success. Utilize in-game pings and chat to communicate effectively and coordinate your strategies. To truly improve your Dota 2 skills, consider watching professional matches. They offer invaluable insights into advanced strategies and hero matchups. Don't be afraid to experiment with different item builds for your heroes, as adapting to game situations is vital. Engaging with the vibrant Dota 2 community can also provide excellent tips and opportunities for group play. Ultimately, consistent practice and a good deal of patience are the most important ingredients for mastering this incredibly deep and rewarding game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.